The boiling points of some elements are given in the table. A mixture of oxygen, nitrogen and xenon at negative 200 degrees Celsius is allowed to warm gradually by 20 degrees Celsius. That means from minus 200 degrees Celsius we're going to go up to minus 180 and then to minus 160 and so on and so forth. So we're going to just gradually warm it by 20 degrees each time. Which of the substance or which one of these substances will still be liquid, will be in the liquid state at the higher temperature? So you've got three gases: nitrogen, oxygen and xenon. Now since it involves some negative temperatures or negative numbers, so it's easier to visualize the whole problem using a number line. So let's draw a number line and let's mark these three temperatures. Minus 196 degrees Celsius is of course lower than minus 183, okay, which is the boiling point for oxygen, and then xenon is minus 108 is bigger than minus 183, so we mark it on the right hand side of the number line. So now let's go to each and every one of the gases. So if you look at nitrogen, nitrogen boils at minus 196 degrees Celsius. So that means at temperatures below minus 196 degrees Celsius, nitrogen is a liquid. So this is liquid, and of course more than minus 196 degrees Celsius, nitrogen will turn into a gas. So we know that this is where the transition going to happen. And now if you look at the next gas, which is xenon, xenon is going to be a liquid below minus 108 degrees Celsius. So here xenon is liquid right up to minus 108 degrees Celsius, and at temperatures above minus 108 degrees Celsius it's going to be turned into a vapor, so it's going to be a gas. So for oxygen, its boiling point is at minus 183 degrees Celsius, which is here, and at less than minus 183 degrees Celsius is going to be liquid, and at temperatures greater than minus 183 degrees Celsius is going to be a gas. So now the starting temperature, okay, mixture is warmed from minus 200 degrees Celsius, which is around here, right? So at minus 200 degrees Celsius we can see that oxygen, xenon and nitrogen, all three of them are liquid. And if we were to just keep increasing the temperature, okay, at this temperature of course it could be nitrogen, oxygen or xenon at minus 200 degrees Celsius, and if we heat it up, okay, to minus 196 degrees Celsius, of course at minus 196 degrees Celsius the liquid nitrogen is going to boil and it's going to turn into a nitrogen gas. So nitrogen shall no longer be the answer. And of course from minus 196 degrees Celsius right up to minus 183 degrees Celsius we can see that oxygen would have been a liquid, but of course beyond minus 183 degrees Celsius it's going to turn into a gas. So therefore as we continue to warm beyond minus 183 degrees Celsius, this is at a higher temperature, here the only substance that's going to remain as a liquid at temperature above minus 183 degrees Celsius but below minus 108 degrees Celsius is going to be xenon. So the question is asking which other substances will still be in liquid state at the higher temperature. Of course the answer would be xenon only.